Hello, welcome to That's in Kitchen. Today we are making meatballs wrapped with eggplant, perfect for a delicious dinner. Whether you are cooking for family or friends, this dish is sure to impress. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the eggplants. Cut off the stem and tip. Peel the eggplants in alternating strips for a nice pattern. Now, slice them lengthwise, about 1 cm thick each. To season, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt over the sliced eggplants. Grease them with 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil for that perfect bake. Place the eggplants in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius and bake for about 20 minutes. Now, onto the meatballs. For this recipe I am using 500 grams of ground beef. Chop some fresh parsley. Finely dice an onion. Then we'll season the mixture with 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon each of salt, cumin, black pepper, paprika and oregano. You can always adjust spices to your taste. Mix everything together until well combined. Now shape the mixture into meatballs and wrap each one with a slice of the baked eggplant. Time to fill the oven dish. If there is some space left in your baking dish, I like to fill it with potatoes. Peel and cube 2 potatoes into 1-inch pieces. Slice 2 peppers in half and remove the seeds for extra flavor. For the sauce, in a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of tomato paste with 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir well, then pour the sauce over everything in the dish. Finally, bake it all in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for 40 minutes. And there you have it, our delicious meatballs wrapped with eggplant are ready to serve. I love pairing this with a side of rice. Thanks for watching, see you next time on That's in Kitchen.